In the journey of productivity, one tool that has really helped me is personal Kanban. You can Google and find out more about that. There are books available on personal Kanban. However, 3 things to remember is, number 1, do a dump, a brain dump. List all the projects, be it personal, be it spiritual, be it professional, be it whatever it is. Do a listing of all those things. Use post-it pads to do the listing and then start prioritizing them. Then you start doing them. And there is a whiteboard. As you know, the word Kanban comes from the whiteboard. Start sticking activities to do. And then the last step is you reward yourself. And that's a very good tool that I've seen in personal Kanban. You reward for your achievements. Thank you.